Hey, now let's understand the very common and important and the most useful homeopathic medicine for allergic rhinitis or for the nasal symptoms. And the medicine name is Allium cepa. And do not forget to see the last part of the video, which is the comparison between three medicines. Now let's start. Allium cepa is one of the effective medicine for profuse and acrid discharge from the nose, which burns the upper lips and the nose. Secondly, you will get that there is profuse discharge from the eyes, but the discharge is bland, that is non-irritating. Then you will get that there is frequent and violent sneezing. Then you will get that the condition is aggravated in the warm room and is better in the open air. Then it has like onion-like symptoms like the acridity which you see in the Allium cepa is onion-like. Now let's see the comparison between three medicines, and the medicines are Allium cepa, Euphrasia and Sabadilla. If you have acrid discharge from nose and bland discharge from eyes, then go with Allium cepa. If it is like acrid discharge from the eyes and bland discharge from the nose, then go with Euphrasia. But if you have violent and proximal sneezing along with itching in the nose and throat, then go with Sabadilla. Second difference is that the Allium cepa and Euphrasia gets better in the open air, while the patient of Sabadilla gets better in the warm room and from warm drinks. If you have liked this video, then do share with your friends and follow for more. Bye.